The Porsche 911 GT3 RS has always been a masterpiece of engineering, but the Manthey Racing upgrade takes it to a whole new level. It's faster, sharper, and yes, it has a massive shark fin that makes it look like a race car straight out of your wildest dreams. But what's the story behind this aerodynamic monster? Stick around as we dive deep into the details of this game-changing upgrade. First things first, what is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Manthey? Manthey Racing is a legendary motorsport company with strong ties to Porsche. They specialize in squeezing out every ounce of performance from an already stellar car. The 911 GT3 RS Manthey isn't just a track car, it's a precision instrument designed to dominate both the Nürburgring and your local circuit. But the standout feature here? That massive shark fin. Let's talk about it. The shark fin isn't just for show, it plays a critical role in stabilizing the car at high speeds. Inspired by LeMans prototypes, this fin works alongside other aerodynamic features to enhance the car's handling. By directing airflow more efficiently, it reduces turbulence and improves cornering stability, especially during aggressive maneuvers. It's all about keeping the car glued to the track. Underneath that wild exterior, the Manthey GT3 RS keeps its 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine. Producing a heart-pounding 518 horsepower, it can rocket from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. But the Manthey upgrades aren't about raw power, they're about finesse. Let's talk about the suspension. The Manthey package includes a custom suspension setup with 4-way adjustable coilovers. This allows drivers to tailor the car's behavior to their liking, whether they're attacking a smooth track or a bumpy road. The result? Precision handling that feels telepathic. Compared to the stock GT3 RS, the Manthey version is sharper in every way. It also includes upgraded brakes with even better stopping power, ensuring you can push harder into corners without second-guessing your confidence. But let's not forget the visual upgrades. Beyond the shark fin, you'll notice carbon fiber enhancements all over the car, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser. These aren't just for aesthetics, they reduce weight and improve downforce, making this GT3 RS one of the most track-focused 911s ever created. So, what's it like to drive? Reviewers who've had the chance to test it describe the experience as raw, exhilarating, and addictive. The Manthey package enhances the GT3 RS' legendary reputation, turning it into a car that feels as close to a race car as you can legally drive on public roads. The new Porsche 911 GT3 RS Manthey isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that Porsche and Manthey Racing are at the forefront of performance engineering. With its shark fin, track-tuned upgrades, and jaw-dropping design, this is a car that will go down in history. The only question left, are you ready to tame the beast? Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite feature of the Manthey GT3 RS? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic automotive content.